Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Roku device to Wi-Fi even if you've lost your remote. Whether it's a Roku stick, Roku TV, or any other model, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Using the Roku mobile app. The easiest way to control your Roku without a remote is by using the Roku mobile app. If you haven't already, download the Roku app from your app store. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 2. Connecting to your Roku device. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to connect your Roku to. Open the Roku app and it should automatically detect your Roku device. Step 3. Navigating to settings. Tap on your Roku device name in the app to connect. Now, navigate to the settings icon on the bottom right corner of the app. Step 4. Selecting network. In the settings menu, select network to open the network settings. Step 5. Choosing your Wi-Fi network. Choose Setup Connection and then select Wireless. The app will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Step 6. Entering your Wi-Fi password. Select your Wi-Fi network name from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Tap Connect to proceed. Step 7. Completing the connection. Once connected, your Roku device will automatically update its connection settings. You should now see a confirmation message that your Roku is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can connect your Roku device to Wi-Fi without a remote using the Roku mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time